No, no, no. That's a
Frog.
frog. Butterfly, butterfly. Please don't joke. So today we are going to read Veda's favorite book, Monkey Puzzle. I have lost my mom. Hush, little monkey. Don't you cry. I will help you, said Butterfly. Okay, let's have a think. How big is your mom? Monkey said, oh, she is big. Bigger than me. Bigger than you. Then I have seen your mom. Come, little monkey.
Come.
Come.
Oh.
Oh no. No. That's a elephant. That's an elephant.
Okay.
My mom is not a great grey hunk. She hasn't got tusk or a curly trunk. She doesn't have a great thick baggy knees. And anyway, her tail coils round trees. Butterfly is like, oh, she coils round trees. Oh, then she's very near. Quick, little monkey. She's over here.
Oh.
No. That's a snake. Mom doesn't look a bit like this. ऐसी थोड़ी है मेरी मम्मा.
नहीं.
Huh? She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl round a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mama got legs. Snake के legs हैं?
नहीं.
Oh, it's legs we are looking for. I know where she is then. Come this way.
Come here. Oh no.
Oh no. ये मंकी की मम्मा है?
नहीं.
Oh. No. That's a spider. Mom is not black and hairy. She would rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in the treetops. Way up high. मेरी मम्मा ऐसे वेब में नहीं रहती, वो तो ऊपर रहती है. Yeah. Oh, she lives in the trees. You should have said your mummy is hiding above your head.
Oh
No. That's a parrot. Mom's got a nose, not a beak. She doesn't squawk and squabble and shriek. She doesn't have claws or feathery wings. And anyway, my mum leaps and springs. I have got it. She leaps about. She is right around the corner without a doubt.
No.
Oh no. That's a frog. Butterfly. Please don't joke. Mom is not green and she doesn't cook. She's not at all slimy. Oh dear.
Oh dear.
What a muddle. She is brown and furry and nice to cuddle. Brown fur. Why didn't you tell me so? We will find her in no time. Off we go.
Oh
No, that's a bat. Why do you keep on getting it wrong? Mom doesn't sleep on the whole day long. I told you she has got no wings at all. And anyway, she is not nearly so small. मेरी मम्मा इतनी छोटी नहीं है. She is big.
Yuppie.
Oh, your mom is not little. Now let me think. She's down by the river having a drink. No. That's a elephant again. Butterfly. Can't you see? None of these creatures look like me. Butterfly said, "You never told me she looked like you." तुमने तो बताया ही नहीं तुम्हारी मम्मा तुम्हारी तरह लगती है. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. Butterfly said, "I didn't know. I couldn't, you see? None of my babies look like me. None of my babies look like me." Oh, so your mama looks like you. Well, if that's the case, we will soon discover her hiding place. No, no, no. That's my papa. Come, little monkey.
Come.
Come. Let's take you to your
Mom.
mama.